South, dirty, we dirty. Can y'all really feel me? I got better girl. East Coast, feel me. West Coast, feel me. Can y'all really feel me? Feel me. East Coast, feel me. Say what? West Coast, feel me. Dirty South, dirty, dirty. Can y'all really feel me?
Good morning. Today is the happiest day ever. No, it's not Christmas. We're getting our box braids today. Ooh, 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 ooh. I got paint. I was painting last night and got paint all, look, it's all over my fingers and nails. This is how I went to bed. 9:25 a.m. You guys wanted more vlogs, so I'm gonna start vlogging more. Maddie, no one asked for more vlogs. Yeah, I know, but I want more vlogs. The aftermath. I got the jumbo huge paint set. Look at that. I ain't never running out. And this is the masterpiece. I have no idea what we were going for, but I like it and I like how it turned out. Look down there. Look at the color blending. Your girl was trying some new things last night. Okay, it's braid day. Currently it is 11:32. I just ate breakfast and cleaned my room because it was really dirty. But it's 11:32 right now. My appointment is not until 3:30. Yeah, it's not until 3:30, so we've got some time. I just wanted to re-blow dry my hair real quick because I did it like 2 days ago and I'm pretty sure like it's a little bit poofy since I last did it, so just want to make sure she's as sleek as possible. Oh, I also ran a flat iron through my hair a little bit. I don't know, I just wanted it to be really slick, but I put some more heat protectant in just a little bit to make it silky smooth. I just really don't want this to hurt. I'm not tender-headed, but I'm tender-ish headed. I've gotten my braids done a lot of times, but this is my first time getting knotless, so this is a new experience. I'm kind of nervous. I'm not like nervous, I'm excited, but yeah, so I clipped my ends, so we're ready to go away. Like, I'm so excited to see her growth and everything. I wanted to measure my hair. I forgot about that. In the last video, I kind of did a visual length check, but I wanted to do an actual length check so I can physically measure it because your girl's doing rice water. That's right. I'm gonna do rice water like the last couple of weeks that I have the box braids in. I don't know how long I'm gonna wear them in for, but it's gonna be a minute. But yeah, so I'm gonna have a whole hair growth regimen plan that we've got going. Be on the lookout for that video coming soon. Tape measure. Hopefully I want it to be down here when my box braids come out. I think that's a reasonable length, like down to my bra. Let's measure. Okay, that's better. How long is this? I'm gonna say that's about 7 inches. I'll say 7. 7 inches. Or wait, should I go from like here? Okay, is that still 7? 6.5, 7 inches. Yeah, I'll say this is like, we'll say a good 7 inches. And that's in the back. And then the front piece. Again, I feel like that's about 6, 7 inches. Not bad at all. I hate doing that. Okay, so I just wanted to be on the record and I wanted to just kind of measure my hair just so we have an idea of where we're starting at. And then when I take out my box braids and when all is said and done, we'll see how much growth we have. Again, I'm gonna make a whole other video on my growth plan, so TBD. Stay tuned for that. Oh.
And there it is. Can you wait? Oh, I guess you want your wig in for your birthday. That's why.
Yeah, it came in the mail already. Say what's up to my vlog.
Yeah, I can't wait to get her in school. long but natty. Oh, is that what's happening?
Yeah, I'm gonna install it for her. All of this craziness.
The craziness. That
Girl.
y'all know,
Let me tell you. Bye, Barkley. He doesn't even care. I'm late. Is it raining? Oh, it's freezing. Oh. This weather's depressing. Is it raining? Let me run real quick. I just blow dried my hair. Okay. Okay. Jesus Christ, it's cold. It's so freezing. I really should have brought an umbrella. I think we're good though. I need to go to, I want to get something to eat first of all, because I mean I ate breakfast, but it's almost 3. I'm hungry. I'm not like super hungry, but I don't want to get there and my stomach starts growling. That's a no. That's a negative. Oh my god. I am not built for the cold. I'm not one of those people who likes the winter. I like the winter time because of Christmas. I hate the cold. I'm more of a spring slash summer slash warmth. Like I can't even think. I'm gonna go get food and then we gotta go because my appointment's set for 3:30 and she lives kind of far. She doesn't live far, but like it's about 25 minutes away ish. But she's been doing my hair since I was a little girl, so I've been going to the same girl and she does a really good job. Her name's Roberta. I'm gonna leave her information here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna film inside. I wanted to, but she works outside, like out of her house, so I'm not gonna be up in there filming in her house and all of that and being disrespectful. But I'm really excited. Can I just have a medium smoothie, strawberry banana smoothie, and then a small fry, please?
That'll be all?
Yeah, that'll be all.
Thank you.
Thank you. Drink. I will drink McDonald's smoothies knowing damn well it's mostly sugar, but they're so good. So good. Halfway through. Front done. She's gonna do the back next. Home stretch. I'm obsessed so far. Oh my god. I'm savage. I'm so hungry and tired. I can't even think right now. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the full extent of the hair in the morning because right now I'm like dead inside. I can't. What's my name even? Is it Madison? I don't know. I'm gonna eat and then pass out and I'll see you guys in the morning.
Oh, they're pretty.
You like?
Yeah, I like them. That was a good choice.
Super long. You like the color and everything?
Yeah, the color choice is good.
Find good lighting. I know I'm almost there. Okay. Ooh, that lighting's pretty good. Y'all, these are the box braids. Okay, so this is how they ended up turning out. I think they turned out so cute. I'm obsessed with the color. I'll give you a full once around. This is what they look like. This is the back of them. If you can kind of see the colors, we went for multicolored this time. I think last time I did 2 colors and that was kind of accidental. We didn't even plan that. I just ran out of hair and she put some extra hair in. I'll put pictures of the last time she did my braids, but I'm obsessed. And y'all, like, they don't hurt at all. Normally when you get box braids, like the day after, you can barely move 2 inches, but it's movable. She's cute. So wait, the colors I used, just so we can be clear. Okay, so the colors I got a 27, a 30, and then a 2T1B 27. Yeah, so 3 packs total, 27, 30, and then T1B/27, which the 27 is like blondish, the more blonder colors. And then like this is like 30. And then this is the mixture one, which was really just like an ombre color with blonde on the tips. But yeah, and she pretty much just went through, she divided all the hair and split it and mixed it. So like she combined a lot of colors, and that's kind of what gives it this brownish vibe. I'm really glad it turned out good, because I was going back and forth like for the past 2 weeks on what I wanted to do color wise. I was like, do I go for the natural black, the classic black, the pretty black, or do I throw some color in there? But I was like, I need a little color in my life. I want to give you guys like a full review of the knotless box braids in comparison to just other box braids. So subscribe down below, because I'll definitely give you guys an update at the end of all of this, you know. Like the hair is just, it lays super flat. That's like the one thing I notice more than anything. And I can take it and pull it back into a ponytail. Super cute. And these are medium size, which I would consider these small, so I wonder what small even is, but these are medium size knotless box braids. I'm trying to think, did I leave anything out? And also I got them like lengthwise. I don't know if you guys could tell me. So I told her I wanted them extra, extra, extra long. Is there any other way to go? So they pretty much, they actually go like past my butt, but they're pretty long. But yeah, I was really tired when I got in last night, so I didn't finish vlogging, but I got there at about 3:30 p.m. and then I didn't leave until 11 p.m., which was pretty fast. She has like really, really good technique, and she was like, but yeah, I'm obsessed with them. I'm so happy. I have been wanting my hair braided literally since the summer, so this was long overdue. So I'm gonna stand.
What's my name?
Is that how Rihanna does it? This is very important. This is probably the most important thing you're gonna do today. You're just gonna hold this down and record me. Say what button? This button. Which button? This one right here.
Shawty can't do it, that hair so good, I said, fuck it, I ain't using no rubber.
It's not that. You.
Bye.